Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen's visit to India unprecedented. The two leaders, along with the EU's College of Commissioners, have outlined a strategic roadmap to deepen ties. The focus: trade, technology, security, and mobility. Here are the key takeaways from the meeting. India and the EU have agreed to finalize a free trade agreement by the end of this year. The long awaited deal aims to enhance economic ties and remove trade barriers. Talks are also progressing on an investment protection agreement and a geographical indications agreement, which will help safeguard regional products. Both sides have agreed to collaborate on three core areas: trade, faster negotiations on the free trade agreement with investment protection and GI agreement discussions in motion; technology, joint efforts on semiconductors, AI, high performance computing, and 6G. A new space dialogue will also be launched. Security, the EU will join India's Indo Pacific Oceans Initiative, enhancing regional security and stability. The two sides are set to deepen cooperation in emerging technologies. Key focus areas include semiconductors, artificial intelligence, high performance computing, and 6G. India and the EU will also initiate a space dialogue to expand collaboration in the space sector. Security and stability in the Indo Pacific region were high on the agenda. The EU has announced its decision to join India's Indo Pacific Oceans Initiative, reinforcing maritime security and regional partnership. Ursula von der Leyen also emphasized the growing need for stronger defense cooperation, citing global security concerns. One of the key outcomes of the talks is the EU's decision to ease mobility for Indian skilled workers and students. This move will open up new educational and professional opportunities for Indians looking to work and study in Europe. The leaders also reaffirmed their commitment to the India Middle East Europe Economic Corridor, an ambitious project announced during India's G20 presidency in 2023. The corridor aims to improve connectivity and trade between the regions. This visit marks the first ever delegation of the EU's College of Commissioners, representing all 27 EU member states, to India. It comes at a time when Europe's relations with the US are under strain, making India an even more crucial strategic partner. With 20 ministerial meetings held and multiple agreements in the works, India and the EU are accelerating their strategic partnership across trade, tech, and security. Will this visit be a game changer for India's global standing? Stay tuned for more updates.